Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a double unboxing. Usually the items here I would save for a haul, but because you guys know I'm on a low buy this year, there's not going to be any haul. There's no haul. So we're just going to do a double unboxing. I have something from Louboutin, which I'm so excited to show you guys, and something from Zimmermann. These are both true unboxings. I have not seen either of these two items in person yet, and one of them I'm actually supposed to be wearing tomorrow, and I don't even know if it fits. I don't know what it looks like on. I don't know if it's even gonna match the thing that I want to wear it with. So we're gonna see. So if you guys want to see what I got from Louboutin and Zimmermann, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna want to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like Zimmermann, you like Louboutin, I think this is definitely where you're gonna wanna be. So you should subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the Katie Danger. I post every single day over there. Every single day there is a reel, an outfit of the day. There's just a whole bunch of stuff on stories. Honestly, there's just a whole bunch of stuff going on over there. So you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the unboxing. I just have to address my failed attempt at the wet hair look here today, okay? You always see the celebrities with the wet hair look, okay? You know this. You know it looks so cute when they do it. But for some reason... So I'm gonna start off with the bigger box, which seems to be from Zimmermann. So Zimmermann is actually having a sale right now, and there were two dresses that I was eyeing, and I picked up one of them. The other one, I'm not even 100% sure if I'm going to end up picking it up. I should honestly have somebody open my boxes for me beforehand, because clearly I'm not doing a good job. What I'm not understanding, you know what? This is not okay. So I did order this directly from Zimmermann's website, although the Zimmermann sale is kind of going across all the retailers, but I just so happened to order this from Zimmermann. So this is the inside of the box, honestly, for one item. This is cute. This is cute packaging, okay? So here is my receipt. This is my new Zimmermann dress. I love the high neckline on this, okay? This is what got me. I love a high neckline, even though my makeup is gonna get all over it and it's gonna be so nasty. I don't care. I love a high neckline. And I love all the freaking colors. This would go so well with like 15 of my bags, okay? This would go so nice with my little pink mini rectangle, tell me not. My blue boy bag, okay? My heart bag, because there is purple and there is blue. Like, it's just endless. I love that it comes with a belt, and this actually feels like a really sturdy belt. You guys know I love a cinch situation. That's what I like, okay? So when I saw this, I just couldn't, and it was on sale. Like, I'm not gonna say no to that. So this is called the Jude buttoned mini dress. I got mine in a size 1, which is a US 6 apparently. Here is the tag. So I will link this exact dress in the description box so you guys kind of have access to it, and it's still going on, the sale, I believe. So definitely check it out. I would only get my Zimmermann dresses on sale personally because the way that the price tag is set up, it's just too much. I know that it's literally the middle of January and this is a summer dress. I'm clearly not wearing this anytime soon, but I figured it's on sale. And so I'll just get it and I'll hoard it until we're at like that June, maybe July area where I could whip it out and be really cute. And that was my mindset. The next box is a pair of shoes. Obviously I said it was from Louboutin, like that wasn't like not a secret. But I've had this literally for a month, have not opened this box, have not anything, because I've been waiting to film the video. So finally, now that I'm planning on wearing them literally tomorrow, let's open it up. If you guys are luxury addicts, you might recognize exactly where this box is from. Maybe that's just a me thing, but this box, every single time I see it with the tape and everything, like I know exactly where this is from. This is from Fashion File. So let me tell you how I got these pair of shoes for less than $400 after tax. So this is the inside of a Fashion File box. I kind of hate that they always put this like confetti type thing in there because it gets everywhere. My kids like to throw it around and like, it's just not the movement. So Fashion File, if you are, you know, very unlikely watching this, do me a favor and stop that. For some reason, I thought that they came in a box, but like, I'll survive. I have a lot of boxes like all up here. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably seen them at some point. There's just a shitload of boxes up there. Like I don't need further boxes, okay? I'm good. Here is finally, after like 5 hours of unpacking this, My newest pair of Louboutin shoes. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna read off of the certificate of authenticity to tell you like what apparently they're called. This is the patent board Lynn Raziel Hot Chick Pump. They're called Hot Chick because I guess there's like drawings of girls all over them. And there's like different girls on both shoes, and there's just like clothing all over the place. And the inside, this is like the coolest inside ever. It almost looks like lace. It's not, obviously, like it's just a design. Then you have this like wavy detail that I feel like a good amount of Louboutins have now. These are the 100 millimeters, which is pretty much the highest that I'm trying to go. Okay, 120, like miss me. Miss me, I'm not interested. I plan on wearing a solid color dress tomorrow, and I feel like this will just be the biggest statement piece. These are literally unworn. Okay, literally unworn. And I got them for less than $400. I had seen these on the website, and like I said, they are 37.5, which is my usual size. So I had it in my cart and wasn't really planning on purchasing them yet. They went on sale. After they went on sale, Fashion File had one of their sale on sale. So this ended up coming out to about $390 post-tax for brand new Louboutin shoes, my man. Like, you can't beat it. I want to try these on like yesterday to see if they fit me, because first of all, I have like 5 more minutes before I have to return this to Fashion File if they don't fit. And if they do, I'm supposed to be wearing them tomorrow. And if they don't, and I'm supposed to be wearing them tomorrow, now I got to figure out a whole nother situation. It's like a whole nother shit show. So hopefully I don't got to deal with that. So these shoes did not work out. No, they sure didn't. They were too big again. And honestly, I'm getting to the point where I think I'm not gonna order shoes online anymore. Someone recently told me that you could lose weight in your feet if you lose weight like in general. And you guys know I just recently lost like 100 pounds. So I'm thinking maybe I'm not a size 37 and a half anymore. Maybe I'm a size 37 now. I really don't know. I'm just gonna start buying my shoes in store, because the fact that this was such a good deal and I was supposed to literally wear them today. This is the outfit that I was gonna wear with them, and I can't because they are too big. I could not take one step in them. I tried one. I literally tried just to show you guys. You know how I like to do mod shots and stuff. I tried to take one step and I couldn't. The shoe just like flew off my foot, and I was just hot mess. This was such a good deal, and I was so excited, and I had like so many ideas of how I was gonna wear these, and I freaking can't because they're not the right size. I did return these, but I don't like to do that. I like to show you things that I am buying and adding to my collection, and I really thought that these were gonna be like so good for my collection, and they're not. And it's not like I can buy them in a smaller size because I bought them on freaking Fashion File. But anyways, let's get back to the video, okay? Let's just get back to it. So yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think about my dress and my new shoes. Let me know which one is your favorite, which one you freaking hate. Like, you can let me know, it's okay, but just say it nicely, okay? Let me know what you think about my wet hair look. Like, look at this dry ass patch. Like, did I just miss that? That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Like, if you're gonna just unsubscribe because of this hair, honestly, I get it. I can't even blame you for it. You know what? I would do it too. I might unsubscribe to myself.